Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is learning curve analysis. What is learn curve analysis? We apply it when an activity has a certain labor component and repetition of the same activity or operation makes the labor more proficiency. The task over time is completed more quickly with the same or higher level of quality. That is quite not obvious, but quite reasonable here because the more we do the same repetitive task, the faster we go because we are getting used to do that, so we are doing it faster. A cost whose amount is influenced by learning curve is an example of non-linear cost behavior. So it is not linear anymore, it's non-linear because it's go just like that. So, learning curve analysis is a systematic method for estimating costs when learning is present. And the learning rate obtained by reviewing historical data is the percentage by which average time or total time falls from previous level as output doubles. So here is our assumption here. So when our output doubles, what is our learning rate? So how fast we are doing. Our learning rates range from one, so no learning. So our time on, for instance, we are producing 100 units. Now we are producing 200 units. Our time is exactly the same. So it is, so the time number two is 100% of the time number one. So uh, no learning here. Choose 0.5 to double. That is the best possible. If it goes below this point, and that doesn't make sense because our time will go to zero. And then it doesn't make sense to produce anything with zero time. So let's go to our Excel file and see how does it work. So guys, if you are regular here, you already know that. If you are not, I wanna let you know that all our Excel files they are free to download it, and the link is in our video description. Okay, so let me change it a little bit. Now it's better. So what do we have here? And by the way, guys, subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. And like this video, it's very helpful to us. And like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, here we can see everything now. So what do we have here? Scarping Hat Company, or SHC, is a Moorhead, Minnesota, where I actually live, manufacturer of hat and gloves. Recently, the company purchased a new machine. Production efficiency in the new machine increases with the workforce experience. It has shown that as the cumulative output of the new machine increases, average labor time per unit decreases. Uh, and cumulative outputs double from a base of 100 units. So 100, 200, and 400, 800. So we are doubling it. And the cumulative average labor time per unit declines by a learning rate of 90%. So learning rate here, 90%. Here, 100 of these hats can be produced in a total of 10 labor hours. So 100 units, 10 labor hours. So zero point 0.1 hour per unit. All other direct costs to produce each head are 83 per head. So here, $23 other direct costs, excluding direct labor costs, because direct labor cost per hour is 76. So 76 here. And fixed costs are 8,000 per month. So here our, but we don't need it, this info. And here is our capacity. So we plan to set the selling price for the new men's hat at 200% of direct production cost. So these fixed costs, they are useless here. If the company is planning to sell 100 hats, what is the selling price? And what is the selling price if we plan to sell 800 hats? So what do we do here? Oh, the learning rate double here. So let's delete this one. So let's, oh, come on. So let's delete it. So what do we have here? Total labor hours for 10, uh, for 100 units is 10 labor hours. So our total labor cost will be 10 hours times $76. Other direct work is 23 per unit times 100 units. So our total direct cost will be, whoa, 3,060. Okay? Whoa. And the average cost or the unit cost, 3,000 divided by 100. Okay, so here, let's fix the before. That is our cost. Let's fix our B5. And let's copy and paste here. What do we need now? The total of labor hours. So here, what do we have here? The total will be 10 hours divided by 100 times 200. So if we have no learning rate, our number of total labor hours would be 20, would be 40, would be 80. However, we have a learning rate here. So, and our learning rate is 90%. So let's fix it. So instead of 20, our total hours will be 80. And we are still learning. So it's still decreasing. So it is not be 36. It will be 32.4. And now it's not 64. So it is now, because of the learning rate, it is now 58. And here we have our total costs. And if we are basing our selling price on this markup here, 200%, our selling price for 100 hectares will be 30 times 200%, $61 per hectare. However, if we are working with 800 hectares, it will be cheaper. It will be 57 dollars. So $4 less because of our learning rate. Okay, so this is how we use our learning rate. So here the total labor hours is the most important topic of our class today. Okay, and your original file was just like that. So we are very good to go here. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a nice day and God bless you.